when it comes to medical things, it's seldom as neat as one visit to the doctor. I mean, maybe you get a stuffy nose, you need to go to the doctor, you get in and out with one copay. So keep that in mind, that this can add up. And each time that you're making out-of-pocket payments, that's contributing to this maximum out-of-pocket. So if you're having a really bad year, at some point, it's going to max out, and then the insurance company will pick up everything beyond that. Okay, with Medicare, there's something like that. It's called the annual election period, and it happens in the fall. This is kind of like Black Friday for insurance people. So between October the 15th and December the 7th, if you don't remember the dates, you'll know because that's when the commercials come on television all the time. And you get to see Joe Namath again and J.J. Walker. So that's when we make changes to these Advantage plans. Now, let's talk about prescription drugs. This is like the bonus content here. Y'all are going to know more about prescription drugs than all of your friends. Have you ever heard the term formulary? Formulary is like what's on the menu. Part D prescription drug plans, they've all got a list of the drugs that they cover. Each plan has its own menu and its own prices. And these menus are typically structured in five tiers. The first tier is what they call preferred generic drugs. Those are the ones when you go to the pharmacy, you might pay $0 for. Then you may have non-preferred generic drugs that have a small copayment at the pharmacy, maybe $5. They're typically not very much. Then you get into brand name drugs. Now, that's when they start to get a little bit more expensive. A brand name drug might retail from $600 to $1,000, but you've got a copayment in there that's much less than that. And one that we've seen in recent years that's fairly common is $47. Then you get non-preferred brand name drugs, and you get a higher copayment in there. A 30-day supply might have a $100 copay. It varies by plan, okay? If you get into specialty drugs, then they'll stop doing fixed copayments altogether, and they'll just say you're going to pay a percentage of the cost of the drug in there. So if you got a $6,000 drug, you might pay 25%. You got $1,500 out of pocket. Okay?